In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Venmo credit card on your phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to manage and control everything about your credit card on the latest version of the Venmo mobile app. All that you have to do if you are on Android is to open up the Google Play Store and look for the Venmo app developed by PayPal. As you can see, this is what it looks like. And as soon as you download the app, you will be able to sign in using your credentials to manage your card. If you are using an iOS device like an iPhone or iPad, you have to open up the App Store and look for Venmo. The app icon and design is the same and the functionalities are identical. Likewise, you will be able to sign in and manage your expenses inside of the app. You will be able to see the details about your credit card, see the money flowing, and you can manage your account inside of the app. You can send and receive money at any time and use the app as necessary. As long as the app works on your device, you will have access to all these features inside of it, and you can access them on your phone at any time. You also have the option to add your Venmo credit card to a digital wallet like the Apple Wallet. So as I'm showing you on screen, what you have to do is open up the Apple Wallet, tap on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen, and you will be able to input the details about your Venmo credit card. Keep in mind that the same can be done for Android by using other apps like Google Pay or the Google Wallet, but I'm not going to go over the process for every single digital wallet. Just keep in mind that as long as you input the details about your credit card into a digital wallet, you will be able to access it from your phone as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Venmo credit card on your phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.